Looks like the perfect day to do a cold start video on the 6.5. It's a 16 below. Alright folks, 16 below today. The old Chevy's in the cold storage shed. And it is cold out. Probably about -4% chance it's gonna start. But didn't want to spend no money on electricity plugging it in. Alright. Drop you guys up here. We're gonna give it all the glow plugs. Sorry for the view there. It's just got the glow plug override, and I'm gonna have to give it a lot of glow. It's a very slim chance this thing is gonna start. I mean, it is cold, like cold. What? Nope.